Costzon Changing Table. Infant diaper changing by Costzon is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. Specification: color, white, black, coffee wine. Material, wood. Changing pad, polyester foam. Overall dimensions, 35. 5L×18W×37H. Age weight limits: newborn up to 30 lbs. Package includes 1 by changing table elegant look, European and American style, which is perfect for commercial or home use, while the deep color design matches most environments. Besides, the scientific height of the table can reduce the waist strain caused by the frequent bending and changing diapers. Safety design: the manufacturer's baby diaper changing table is constructed with natural oak hardwood, which is strong toughness, good texture, durable and corrosion resistant, and the safety rails on 4 sides of changing area, which is convenient enough for you to change diaper smoothly and quickly. The changing table pad and safety belt are also included. Large storage: there are 2 fixed shelves, one for you to store baby's diapers, toys, blankets, etc., one for baby's toiletries, socks and other small items. At the top of the baby diaper changing table, the large changing pad will surely make your baby feel happy and comfortable. Non-toxic finish: all materials are tested to meet or exceed all safety standards set by the government and ASTM. Made of environmentally friendly water-based paint, no AOC, no APO, lead-free, formaldehyde-free, toluene-free. Easy to assemble and clean: it's very easy to assemble and disassemble this changing table with instruction included. It's also easy to clean. Just use with mild soap and a damp cloth to clean this dark color changing table.